Good afternoon. My name is Brandon Cherry. This is Module 7. Today we're going to look at the effect of light therapy on depression. There was a group study done. It was divided into 3 groups. Group 1 was the control group. It received no light therapy. Group 2 received 1 hour of it on even numbers of days for a month, and group 3 got light therapy every day for an hour over the course of the month. I have a data set pulled up here. We're going to perform an ANCOVA test to determine if there is a significant difference in the mood depending upon the amount of light therapy that the participant receives. And we're going to use age as a covariate. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up to Analyze. I'm going to go down to General Linear Model and Univariate. From there, I'm going to move mood to our dependent variable because that's what we're testing. I'm going to move group to our fixed factor because it's not changing, and I'm going to move age to our covariate. All right, from there, I'm going to go to Options. I'm going to make sure that descriptive statistics, estimates of effect size, and homogeneity tests are all clicked. All right, from there, I'm going to go to our means. I'm going to move group over to our display means. I'm going to compare main effects, and I'm going to use the Bonferroni as my interval adjustment. All right, from there, I'm going to run my diagnostics test. All right, so now we have our results from it. The first one we're going to just look at real quick is the between subject factors. So what we have right here just shows us that we have an equal number in our groups. We have 80 for no light, even days 80, and every day is 80. All right, next we're going to look at descriptive statistics right here. So what it's showing us from here is that we have kind of an ascending mean, meaning the mood right here on no light therapy did increase after some was given in group 2. Then in group 3, it increased significantly again to 62.69. The standard deviations are kind of consistent, kind of suggests similar variability between them. All right. So the next test we're going to look at Levine's test of equality of error. All right. We have an F of 1.419 and we have a p-value of 0.244. Since the p-value is greater than 0.05, the test is not significant, so the assumptions of homogeneity is met. Groups have roughly equal error variances, so we already knew that because the first introduction told us. All right, so from there we're going to look at the test between subjects and effects. So right here is 0.008 is the p-value. So the effect of group on mood was statistically significant, all right, with that 0.008 p-value. So we would reject the null hypothesis that there is no difference in mood scores, all right, between the ages. Group membership, amount of light therapy has a significant effect on mood. The covariate age was not a significant predictor, so age being right here and the p-value being 0.907, which is higher than 0.05. Age did not significantly influence mood scores. Overall model was significant, so right here with a 0.02, the whole entire model was significant. With that 0.02 p-value being less than 0.05. All right, so from there we're going to look at our estimates. All right, this doesn't change our finding from the above one. It just shows the same pattern that no therapy would mean score is 59. It does increase slightly on each one of these. And therefore we reinforce our findings. The pairwise comparison. So we're looking at no light therapy versus light therapy at the top. The daily therapy group has a significantly higher mood score than the no therapy group. The difference, 3.58, and the p being 0.009 right here, means it is statistically significant. The no light therapy versus light therapy on even days, or every day, versus no light therapy versus even days. Even days had a higher mood score, a higher mean score than the no therapy group, but the difference is not quite statistically significant because of that p-value being 0.063 right here. That shows a trend, but not enough to fully reject the null. Light therapy every day right here versus no light therapy was the greatest, again at 0.009. So getting light therapy every day is the most significant one. Light therapy between every day and even days was a 1.00. So there is no significant difference in mood scores between these two groups. All right. So now we're going to come down to the univariate test. So daily light therapy significantly improves mood compared to no therapy. Light therapy on even days may improve mood. Right. The univariate test right here at the bottom is really testing the overall effect on group mood scores when it's adjusted for age. This p-value at 0.008 confirms the group difference in mood scores are statistically significant. Essentially, this is the same test we ran before. Group effect on mood is significant. Light therapy does matter. Age is not a significant covariable. So again, in conclusion, based on this data, light therapy administered daily is effective in improving mood. Light therapy on even days has some benefit, but could not be statistically confirmed by the study, and age is not a significant covariate. Thank you.